What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are making a peanut butter fudge. Now this is another peanut butter fudge that I have my doubts about. Kind of goes along with the Velveeta fudge right there, which was absolutely amazing and I've made several times. This is a peanut butter fudge using two ingredients. It's using peanut butter and vanilla icing, pre-made vanilla icing and peanut butter. Zap them in the microwave, melt them, stir them together, put them in a pan, you're done. It's that easy. You have homemade peanut butter fudge. We're going to see if it really works and what it tastes like. You guys, I'll put the recipe down below, but really it's peanut butter and icing. So anyway, the recipe's down below. If you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button, hit notifications. And here comes the recipe, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, two ingredients. First ingredients, vanilla frosting. This is 16 ounces. And peanut butter, 16 ounces. I chose crunchy. Now we want to zap those in the microwave, so I set it for about a minute, let it run for 30 seconds, stir it, run for 30 seconds until it melts. So now this supposedly will turn into magic. We're going to pour this into the pan, into your bowl. Now, I did get the Walmart brand of this because I don't know it's going to make that much difference. All right. Pour in your icing on top. This is the vanilla flavor. If this works, this is going to be the easiest fudge. Okay, let's get my spoons out of here. Now we just want to stir this together. And supposedly it thickens as we stir. We'll see. It will definitely thicken as it cools. But I'm seeing a lot of thickening. It's got a great color though. Okay, it is now mixed. It smells really good. Smells like peanut butter. Okay, it is thoroughly mixed. So we have a 9x9 pan. Lined it with parchment. And we're just going to pour it in. Just like that. Push it all the way to the edge. Possibly could have used a smaller pan. It's gonna be thin fudge, but it is what it is. Okay. Shake it a little, get it to level out. All right, we're gonna throw that in the fridge and let it cool. All right, guys, this has chilled completely in the refrigerator. It is set up just like fudge. Again, I think I should have used a smaller pan because it's a little thick. Cuts just like fudge. That's the look. I mean, it's got a great texture. Now the taste test. All right, first of all, the smell. Okay, it smells like peanut butter fudge. You can't smell icing or anything weird like that. I will never make peanut butter fudge any other way. That is amazing. That is so good. I know another one of those recipes I would never believe would have been good, but it is really amazing. Impressive. So give it a try. Easy peasy peanut butter fudge with two ingredients. Peanut butter, icing. Boom. Done. Enjoy it, guys. If you try it, make sure you put your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Other than that, you guys have a great week out there. Be safe, but above all, be nice to each other.